Take a nice deep breath and let's give a big round of applause.
You got this.
Being a mom changed my life. I call this Angela, because Angela is my eldest daughter. I was 19 when I had her. I might cry, sorry. But ever since she came into my life, I realized that it's not only for me. So even if I was young, I had to go back and do my best so I could raise her the best way that I can. And being around her, she taught me so much about, you know, doing things even if it's painful, if it's going to get you better. And one of the things that I always remember, one time she was really sick. And actually when she's really sick, she had a fever, and I show her this medicine. I said, honey, if you take this, you'll feel better. So even if it doesn't taste good, she would take it. You know, so that's how she taught me. It's like
Right.
you could be in pain. Sometimes it takes some pain to get to a better place.
Okay, big round of applause. Nice. No, you did great. So one thing we talked about was, what if you started your opening? I was 19 years old when Angela was born. And as I held her in my arms for the very first time, and I looked at her in the eyes, I knew from that moment forward that I was never going to, whatever. I knew that she was going to be, from that moment forward, I knew I had to think greater than myself. Or if you could create that imagery, and that would be really, you could let that land. And your image, you're holding the baby, you're looking in their eyes, and you're saying the phrase, and at that moment I learned this lesson, let it sit. And then keep on going. What other thoughts?
I wanted more.
I want to
you
know
engaged
more of the story.
Me, so I'm looking forward to more stories. So I mean it's like a positive, but I'm just letting you know you pulled me in.
Yep.
So I'm looking forward to more.
And is it okay to be emotional?
Yes.
100%. 100%, because that's being authentic.
Yeah.
And it is okay to do that, and you will connect with the audience, and you will probably find that people in the audience will be emotional too.
I agree,
No worries.
and I'm a crier, so I'm impressed how you recruit, because I
Yep.
have trouble regrouping.
I was trying to roll it back.
You
Great.
just swallowed, you said? What did you say?
No, I just tried to roll back my eyes.
Oh, okay.
It's dry.
Because you did great.
But it is okay. It's okay to have feelings. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to have feelings. Other thoughts?
Yeah, just very, very authentic. It felt very personal, very authentic.
Yep.
This person, I actually thought about that too, because you know I was having a hard time with the subject, because you know when you're thinking about so many things, which one, and then my daughter was the one that popped in my head, and I have two, and now I have 4 grandkids, so I'm like, which one of them, right? But it was the start. It was my eldest daughter.
Because that was the day that your life changed.
Yes.
Yep. Awesome. Great job. Big round of applause.